My name is Timothy Daniel, your tutor for this course. Welcome on board, and I hope you find what you want in this training. Please, one of the things I will advise you all to do is just to take everything, all of this teaching very serious, and I promise you all that you will not regret any of these classes. Thank you so much. So for today, we are going to be working on whiteboard animation. Whiteboard animation. Now, we can basically use whiteboard animation for so many things. For example, for class presentation, for advert, maybe to place advert for people. You can use it for so many things. Yes. So today we are going to learn how to make use of whiteboard animation. So before then, please you need to download this app here. You see this app here, Binimi. It's called Binimi app. This app, Binimi app. So you need to download it. Then after then we'll continue. So first and foremost, you need to get your script down before launching the Binimi app. You need to get your script down. Now, getting your script down it shows that you have structured everything you need to do. First of all, for instance, me, I make use of my notepad. Now, if you check here in my notepad, I already have everything. So it's good you make use of your notepad also. It's very, very good, and I will advise you to make use of your notepad as it will make things easy to navigate through. Now after getting your script down, now if you don't know how to write script yet, we will get to that stage very soon. We'll get to that stage very, very soon. So now you launch your Binimi app. Then the next thing to do, you tap on this icon. You tap on this icon here. You see this icon, this plus icon here. You tap on this plus icon. So it will take us to the next page. Then you name your animation. You have to name your animation. Let's just name this one Tutelage. Tutelage, yes. Then you leave this YouTube, this 1080p, that's 1080 pixel with the normal pixel. So you tap on create. Okay, sorry, it's having a space. It's not supposed to have a space. Tap on create video. So now here we are. Now. So what do we need to do? Now if you look, we have so many things here. Here to save your work. This place that has the shape of a triangle is to play and see the work you are doing. While here also is meant to save your work. Should be in case this first one here is not, sometimes it does malfunction. So you use this one to save the work. So now another thing here, see this first thing here is sticker. If you want to add images, this is where you will tap the sticker. So once you tap on the sticker, it will give a prompt on what you want to choose. So if you want to add image, that's where you will use. Now this place is for text. If you want to add text, like what's called, for instance, the script that we've written before, this is where you will make use of it. Now here for background, if you want your background to be different from white, this is where you will make it. But I will advise that we'll go with white background for now. Maybe when doing your assignment, you should use white background because it will give your work it will make your work very neat. Yes, for now. As you are learning, as you continue to learn, you will get used to other background. Now here, you will choose your preferred hand. We'll still go into all this later. You choose your hand. Now, if you want to add music, to your work, this is where you will add music, the last one. I hope you understand. So let's get started. So now, the first thing we'll do is to get, if you have a logo, it's good maybe you start with a logo, and if there is no logo, you can start with the write-up. You understand? You can start with the write-up. So you will now go to your notepad. Then you copy. All you need to do is just copy and paste so that it will not delay your work. See, we'll copy. Come back to Abinimi, tap on text, then you insert what you want. You understand? Now this is it. So now you can edit everything. You can edit everything. You can add animations. You can add color to your text. Now, if you want to add color to your text, this is where you will do it. This place is meant to add color to your text. That's select color. Now, if you want the writing to be very, very fast, the handwriting to be very fast, this is where you will use. You will increase it. Then if you want it to be very slow, you will decrease it. If you want it to be fast, you increase. For instance, you take it to like 1.0, that's 10.0. If you want it to be very fast, you take it down. You understand? So now, let's go. Now, you make it this way. We'll make it this way. See, the function of this one is middle, that's words to be centered. The other one is right, while the other one is left. So we should know what we are doing, please. If you want to choose fonts, look at, you can change the font to anything you like. Just make the work easy. And another thing, use your screen very well. Your screen shouldn't be occupied too much. Just know how to use your screen. We will still go there maybe when we'll be adding image. You understand? Now this thing is not something that is very difficult, but you need to calm down when doing it, please. You need to calm down. So now let's choose hand. Now there are so many hands in this place. Now this one is the default hand. So let's go with the default hand. Let's go with this one. Let's play our work. You see that it's too fast. You can see that it's fast. Now what do? You tap on the text, you come to duration, you continue to take it up. You can hold it down. Let's make it 10. You see now it's on 10. So let's now play it. You see it's very, very slow. So with this now, it will go with any music background, any background music that you want to, any background sound, and your audience will be able to read what you are doing. If it's too fast, it means you are not communicating with your audience. If you are making advert, you need to make it slow so that people will grab what you want to do. You understand? So now the next one, you press. If you want to add another tab, you press on plus. It will give you another page. It will give you another. If you want to add continuously, you'll be pressing on plus icon. You understand? So please, as you are listening to this video, it's advisable that you be with your pen and paper. You can just write it, the name of the app, you write it down. The rest you make it like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. I will explain later how you should write it. Okay? If after this explanation on how to make your whiteboard animation, I will explain on the steps. Thank you. So now on this second tab now, what do? We are supposed to add text. So we'll go back to our notepad. Then we'll copy this. Copy. Now we'll come here. Then you insert. You see the font we use then is still very, very active. So this is the font that this project will maintain till the last one, except if we wish to change it. So now the next thing now, if you didn't forget, is our duration. We have to take our duration back to 10. We have to take it to 10. Thank you. So it's in 10 now. It's in 10. So let's see what we've been doing. Go back to 1. Now play. So now the next thing we'll do now is to add an image. Now that image is what will capture the attention of your audience. It will capture their attention. So what do? We'll press on this plus icon. So now we press on plus icon. Now it's here. What do we do next? If you are following me, you tap on sticker. You see sticker. You can see add image. You can see add image here. So this is where you tap add image. So tap here. So it will redirect you to your file. So you go to where those images are. Don't worry, I will send the image that you should use for the assignment later after the class. Now, if I want to get my own, so now this is where my image. So I would like to use this image. So select. Okay. Now we'll crop. Yes, we are good to go. So now you see. So what do? Can make it so it will fit. Don't forget the duration. You have to take the duration. Make this one 8 or 9. Let's make it 8 because it's a drawing. You make it 8. Centralize it. So what do we do next? The next thing to do, you go back to the next one, then go to our notepad. Introducing this tutelage. Copy. Then you come back to our main page, go to text, then type what we want to do. Then you arrange it, then insert. You see, the font has changed, so you have to make the font to the one we've been using since. Now let's play what we've been doing. You see the way it is. Now we can read unlock your creative potential with this tutelage. Are you ready to unleash your creativity? Now, do you struggle with editing videos, designing graphics, animation design? You see, now this was the image that we used. Now you see, this is what we've been doing since. It's alright. I believe with this you'll be able to add text and image. So now the next thing that I think is very important now is how to add sound. Now come to music. You see, then you go to where your preferred sound is. So here is mine. And if you don't have sound, I will send this to the group so that you will make use of it. But if you have your own preferred musical sound, you can use it. Now look at this is it now. So let's try and see what we've done so far. You see that the volume of the volume of the background music is too high. So you come to this place, you reduce it from 100 to, let's say, 23. You see, now let's try what we've done. You see, it cannot be disturbing. You understand? Okay. So now, if you want to save, don't forget you either use this or you use this. So in case either one is giving you tough time, you choose the other one. Okay. So now let's go to this place. The name. Okay, let's say project, first project, then make movie. Uh, yes, first project. It's having space. It shouldn't have space, please. It shouldn't have space. First project. You see, it's rendering the movie in progress. This is how you save it, and it will be in your gallery. So I hope you learned something from this class. In our next class, I will show you how to add backgrounds, how to add multiple images on the same um, whiteboard, or what is it called, on the same page, how to manage your space. You understand? So that's what we'll be doing on the next class. Now, mostly the image that you need to use in this whiteboard animation are image that doesn't have background, so that it will make your work a top notch. They are image that doesn't have background. Please take note of this, please. Now let's play, see what we've done. So thank you. See you in the next class. Peace out.